Is AA for you? 12 questions only you can answer. Only you can decide whether you want to give AA a try, whether you think it can help you. Below are some questions we tried to answer honestly. See how you do. There's no disgrace in facing up to the fact you have a problem. Number 1, have you ever decided to stop drinking for a week or so, but only lasted a couple of days? Number 2, do you wish people would mind their own business about your drinking? Stop telling you what to do. Have you ever switched from one kind of drink to another in the hope this would keep you from getting drunk? Have you had to have a drink upon awakening during the past year? Number 5, do you envy people who can drink without getting into trouble? Number 6, have you had problems connected with drinking during the past year? Number 7, has your drinking caused trouble at home? Number 8, do you ever try to get extra drinks at a party because you do not get enough? Number 9, do you tell yourself you can stop drinking anytime you want to, even though you keep getting drunk when you don't mean to? Number 10, have you missed days of work or school because of drinking? Number 11, do you have blackouts? Number 12, have you ever felt that your life would be better if you did not drink? If you answered yes to any of those questions, go to my channel and binge my content. There is a way out, and I found it. It's on your knees.